Hello, good afternoon, class. Welcome to our unit Introduction to Geography. Uh, we're going to have our session here. Our session is we are going to talk about the introduction, maybe the meaning of geography, branches, and other activities that may be in our course. So let me start from the meaning of geography, and then as I teach and explain deeper through the unit. So, first of all, we want to define geography. So, geography is the scientific study of the earth as a home of man. Or, in other terms, we can say that is the study of interrelation on natural and the human phenomena. So, under these, we have some branches. We have environment. So, let's define environment. Environment is the surrounding, but if you want to define it better, you can say it's all external conditions surrounding an organism which has influence over its behavior. So, having looked at that, environment can be divided now into two. We have physical environment and the human environment. So under physical environment, we have natural physical conditions of weather, such as climate, we have vegetation, we have animals, we have soil, we have landforms and drainage. And then under the human environment, we have human activities such as farming, we have forestry, we have mining, we have tourism, and even what? Settlement, transportation, trade, and industry. Uh, Now I want to look at the branches whereby we have physical geography. Uh, we have we have physical geography. We have practical geography. We have human and economic geography. So let's start from physical geography. Physical geography now it deals with the study of the natural physical environment of humankind. The area is covered. Now the area includes geology, we have geomorphology, we have climatology, we have pedology, we have biogeography. But I want to start from the definition of geology, whereby it's the study of the origin, structure, and composition of the earth. So actually it includes the study of rocks. And then we have geomorphology. Now this is the study of internal and external landforming processes and landforms. And then we have climatology, which is the study of a climate as like weather. Yeah. And then we have pedology, the study of soil. We have biogeography, the study of soil, vegetation, and animals. That is in comparison. We have hydrology, that is the study of water bodies. We have spatial geography, study of space. You know, spatial means space, and hydro, that means water. So when you hear about hydro, study of water bodies, space, spatial. Now that is the study of the space. And then we have another branch which is human and economic geography. Now that is the study of people and their activities on the earth surface. The areas covered include mining, we have forestry, we have agriculture, we have fishing, wildlife, we have tourism, industry, we have energy. And then the other branch is now practical geography. Practical geography now is a smaller branch which equips the learner with the practical skills that enhances their understanding and interrelation of human and physical geographical information. Now, the areas under these are statistical methods. We have map work, we have field work, we have photograph work. And now, the importance of studying geography number one, it facilitates good relationship. It facilitates good relationship uh, among nations by studying geography of other regions of the world. You know, geography entails a lot because the information being shared in geography is being compared in a very large geographical area. Like we can compare maybe fishing in Kenya, we have fishing in China, we have fishing in the Netherlands, we have fishing in Poland. So, under these, we do a comparison of many things worldwide. So it's an international. So it can facilitate good relation among nations by studying the geography. And then it's a career subject in that it enables one to go for advanced studies in specialized fields. E.g., we have teachers. Like now, if you go to advanced studies in geography, there are some courses you can do in a career which are specialized, like climatology is a specialized field. We have geomorphology, we have remote sensing, we have many things like biogeography, whereby you can go and specialize and then pursue more careers in it, so that you can do what you can be working on it. And then we have another importance, which is enables us to appreciate other people's way of life by learning economic activities of different communities within our country and other parts of the world. uh, by studying geography, we study a lot of things. We do study ways of people, how they live, the culture. We study about the various economic activities. So it enables us to appreciate the originality of their culture, the originality of their economic activities, and how they ended up doing that. So you as a learner, as you study this, it enables you to appreciate, since you will know the originality of those activities. Another point is that it enables us to conserve our environment when we learn negative and positive effects of human activities. That's why you find that as you pursue geography, you can become maybe an officer of whereby you become a conservative officer of the environment, whereby you know how to you can guide people in building the gabions so as to control erosion. You can enable, or you can even influence the people to do what, to fill holes that are open, so that you can do maybe farming activities. You have already done what, conserve the environment. We have enables us to conserve our resources when we learn wise use of resources in conservation and management of resources, e.g. wildlife. And then it includes as virtues of cooperation and patience as we work in groups. Uh, as we're going to move and carry on throughout this course, we are going to study fieldwork. And in fieldwork, there's involvement of group work where people are, whereby you will be working in groups as we gather information. So it gives it incorporates what we call cooperation, whereby you will be working as group and build the relationship between students. And then another point, it makes us to appreciate manual work as we are involved in practical geography, which may lead to self-employment. And then another point, promotion of industry, promotion of industry, such as tourism, by guiding tourists to places of interest, whereby we use maps, we use calculation of distance. Uh, This can enable even the tourists to maneuver around without getting difficulties in doing what? In finding the routes. So having looked at this, I want to appreciate you very much. I want to thank you for your time. I want to emphasize on something. I want to ensure that you go and read more on this, so that as we're going to meet in our next class, at least you have something, you have a clue on the topic that I'm going to do what, to lead you through. So I could like you to go and read more on the topic, so that as we're going to meet next in our class, it will be very easy for us to save on time. So thank you for your time. Have a blessed day ahead. I could like to end the class at this point. Thank you very much.